Hi, Mr. Koshy here. I'm finding myself drawing the chemistry to get myself off of some of the unpleasantness. For today, actually by the end of Friday, if you can finish on Schoology quiz 4.2.3, I'm going to go over, and it's a work in progress for me, I'm going to go over the most math intensive ones, numbers, which was 10 and 11, which I kind of found a little relaxing to do. I did it on scrap paper. As the semester may go on, I'll try to see if I can do another way, like almost a TED talk to do it. It helps me get my mind off this. But by the end of Friday, if you can finish quiz 4.2.3 on Schoology, if you need the link or anything to help you with them, please let me know. Let me go to number, it should be here, number 10, where they give you the balance equation right here. Cl2 plus KBr. KBr is potassium bromide. Hope some of you took your have a periodic table at home. Yields 2KCl plus Br2. How many moles of potassium chloride are produced by 119 grams of potassium bromide when Cl2 is in excess? So if I was drawing this right here, my 119 grams of potassium bromide, that's your given. And you are trying to go to your, I'd almost draw an arrow if I could. Let's see if I can. Oof. Yeah. That's what you're trying to find. How many moles of potassium chloride? So the way that I set it up, I'm sure I will get better at this. That's terrible. I started off with my, let's see if I can make this bigger. No, didn't. There. I started off with my, the answer is 2, by the way. I started off with how much KBIR I started with the 119. Let's see here. Grams, and then I multiplied by the molar ratio. Actually, to convert from 119 to moles, and then 2 moles is the molar ratio. So for this right here, you would go through the molar ratio. Maybe shouldn't teach you this, but there are sites that like convert molar ratios. So if you want to do like the molar, Google's nice like that, molar mass of KBR, which I already did. Generally pretty trustworthy. So going through that for number 10, I get, when I do the math, I get 2.00. You really should have 3 sig figs for that one. So now I'm working with it. So let me get rid of this right here. Get rid of that. Let me do number 11 too. How many grams of potassium chloride can be produced by 300 grams each of Cl2 and KBr? Your goal initially is to you have to figure out what is the limiting reagent, like what do you run out of first. I almost think of it as like factories. Number 1 is actually a really good problem. But you have to figure out how many moles it would take of Cl and how much KBr to run through it. So looking at that, I see my lowest number is 2.52 for KBr for my moles, and then you would basically you run out of that first. Then you would plug that 2.252. And you would set up your molar ratios, and you would get 188 grams. So hope that helps. It's so much easier when I have stuff to point to or I can do on the board, but such is our lot now. If you can finish quiz 4.2 by 3 by the end of Friday at 3, that would be good. Hope you all are doing well. I miss you all, and good luck.